In this video, we will go through the steps to fix an issue where JPG or JPEG files are not opening on Windows 11. If you are experiencing this problem, follow the instructions carefully, and by the end of this tutorial, you should be able to resolve it. To begin, open the search menu on your computer. Type in Settings and select the best match that appears. Click on it to open the Settings window. Once inside, look at the left panel and select Apps. On the right side, find and click on Installed Apps. In the search box that appears, type Photos. When the Photos app appears in the results, click on the three-dot menu next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, try clicking on Repair. This option will attempt to fix the app without affecting any of your files or preferences. Wait for the process to complete. If your problem persists, return to the same section and click Reset. Keep in mind that resetting the app will delete its data, including your settings and sign-in details. Confirm your selection and wait for the process to finish. Once done, close the settings window. Now, restart your computer. After the restart, try opening a JPG or JPEG file again to check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, there is another method to try. Open the search menu again and type CMD. From the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, select Yes to continue. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type the following command, sfc/scanno, then press Enter. This command will start a system scan and check for corrupted files. The process may take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. If the scan finds and repairs corrupted files, close the Command Prompt window and restart your computer once again. After the restart, try opening your JPG or JPEG files to see if the problem has been resolved. If the issue still persists after following these steps, consider checking for Windows updates or reinstalling the Photos app. You may also try using a different image viewer to open your files. That's all for this tutorial. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the issue. Thank you for watching.